How to fix your iPad not showing trust this computer. So if you're trying to connect your iPad to your computer and either you've accidentally closed off the trust message or it's just not showing up in general, then I'm going to show you how we can go and fix this issue. So the first thing you want to do is just disconnect your iPad from your computer, and then you can go and unlock the home screen like so. Now once you're on your home screen, we need to bring up the settings page. From the settings page, you can scroll down on the left hand side and click on General. You can then scroll down to the bottom and click Transfer or Reset iPad. You then need to click Reset and select Reset Location and Privacy. Now don't worry, this won't delete any of your personal data. All you need to do is enter the passcode to your iPad, and that's going to reset all of these trust messages. So once you've done that, you can just go and reconnect your iPad to the computer. You can then go and unlock the iPad and you should now get this trust message. And it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.